Guys, it's Jetrex over here. I don't know if you heard me the whole time. I'm just gonna read it in the intro. Hey guys, it's Jetrex over here, and today we were back with some more Overwatch. I don't know. Okay, so I think my magic messed up just a bit, but as you can see, we got into a match, which is good. Always good. So yeah. He's gonna pick Hanzo. I'm gonna pick Reaper just cause I'm really good with Reaper. Death walks among you. It feels like we've been recording longer than 30 seconds. Could have sworn we've been recording for a minute. So, you might have missed a bit of stuff. Like, I don't know if you saw this, but I played as Reaper for a total of 6 hours. I've played Overwatch for 28. My least played characters are Moira and Winston. But I've played as Winston? What the heck? No! Leave. Yes, I'm fit. So let's not do that. Oh wait, there's another legendary skin that I got that I forgot to show you guys. Tracer! And this is the ultra violent skin. She has 2 types of these. She has punk and ultraviolet. I got this out of a loot crate. And then during the anniversary, you could buy skins from other events. So not for Brigitte. I got one for Bastion. Take a look at that. And I'll show you Bastion's new skin, which I didn't get. Look at this thing. There's him a turret. For God's sake, that looks like a... I don't know what that looks like, but it does look like a monster truck. You gotta agree that looks like a monster truck. Where are his weevils even at, is what I want to know. Another skirmish! Found a good hunter duo! No. Don't worry about anything over there. Oh God, this is gonna take forever. No! Leave game, it only has 1 person in it. Arcade, is there anything good in arcade? No, there's no gravity. There's team deathmatch. Nope, just one simple quick play so I can show you Reaper. But it doesn't seem like I'll get a simple. That's really sad. If you guys didn't know, I did start playing Zumba. I played her for an hour. I like this one. It's called Nacha. Nacha. I know it's one of these, but trust me, it's cool. I think my dad has that one and that one. I don't know if he likes Nacha or not. Nacha's my all-time favorite for her. Traveling to Hanamura. Finally, if someone chooses Reaper, I'm gonna be mad. Wow, my mouse is... By the way, guys, I lowered my sensitivity, so it might not be like the same as last time. So this is classic Reaper, and then see, look at this beauty, Hellfire. And no, that does not count as cussing, because it's a name. If you think that's cussing, I don't care. I'm not blurting out, because I don't even know how. Okay, I'm attack. You know what's good about being attack? Is that you get to do this. I'm gonna play this video game. I don't like it. Okay, so I think they're breaking the games of... Hey, Diva. Oh, you like this game, Diva? Too bad. No, 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 no. Hi, Reaper. And I will show you now. Yeah. You guys wouldn't get it. It's on Undertale. If you see an Undertale, leave it down in the comments down below, or if you even know what it is. I'm just glad we found a match. Now I can... Let's try that again. So of course you guys won't be able to hear this. I'm glad you didn't hear that, because it was a cuss. He said the D word. So did Diva. She just said it. Fudge. Bad idea, bad idea, bad idea. Okay, so we got in, as you can see. What is this Whittle doing? Wow. Yes, they have! They have returned. That's kind of annoying. It's a good thing you guys cannot hear this. It's bad. What are you saying? Bad. Diva! Let's try that again. My ultimate is dropping. Oh, yeah. Yeah, to the other team. No, it's the Junkrat just said it to himself. That's weird. Wait, what? We have Cyber System 1, 2, and 3. They gotta be friends or something, or else that's just weird, man. Fudge, 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 fudge. That was never a good idea! How? I want to see that. I was jumping down. That's... That's dumb. I think I might have just spit. I don't know. I kinda... I wish I was a sniper right now. Yeah. I've joined you guys. 2 kills. I should have gotten those 3 kills. Or Lisa. My ultimate is almost ready. Hey guys, it's Reaper here. That's more like it. Yeah, these guys gotta be friends, cause it's, look, Cyber System 1, Cyber System 2, and Cyber System 3. That's weird. Almost all of our team have their ultimates. That's insane. Ebola just died. Rest in peace, Ebola. No! Touched from afar. Cyber System 1 is the one. So, not even close. This is my will. Please move behind the barrier. And now it's saying, baby! Well, I should have gotten much more kills from that. Wow. Pussycat. Whoa! I want to see that. That is so dumb. Whatever kills you makes you stronger. If you didn't know why I just started singing that, that's because he just says whatever kills you makes you stronger. Also, now Arisa has is close to it. What? I want to know what that Zarya is doing. Whoa, boy, that was scary. No! I'm gonna have to fight. No, Zarya. Go. Boom. I wanna be there with my team. Bam, 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 bam. Diddle. What? That was weird. Of course it's Skate on 3. I don't really care. Leave going. I've gotten a few highlights as Reaper. I want to show you them. I also got some highlights as Junkrat. I forgot to save those two. Saved highlights. Saved highlights. I'm going to save those highlights, guys. But here's one that I am very, very proud of. As you can see, I have my ult ready. I just use it. Die. Now you're probably thinking, 2 kills? That's 4 kills, thank you very much. And let's save these 2. I'll show you that new one. And I'll also show you some of the old ones. I'll just show you most of my highlights that involve plays. Which most of them do. Because I save most of the only play of the games. I didn't even know I had it in my reaper. I wish I could have opened a loot box like we do in every video. Actually, probably not every video, but mostly every video we open a loot box. I should just do a loot box opening video one day. But that will be in the future when I get some money. Because yes, I am a kid. And I do have some money, but I don't have a debit card. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff opened. I always say play of the games is doing pretty good too. That Diva one was meh. But then the best play of the game that they ever had. Rank. No, seriously, was it? The best play I have ever gotten was 5 kills. With medium with Junkrat and his Reptile, and it was I believe it was this one right here. Yes, it was. But it was against AI and everything. Oh no, it wasn't this one, but this also. I get 5 kills from this one. I was playing with my cousin, as you could see, but that was against AI. There's another one that oh, here it is. Recently captured, but that was also against my cousin against AI. If it will load. Now, I think I'll show you as many highlights as I can. Okay, guys. Final! You go walk it, you corral. I got 5 kills. So you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here's another one. Play of the game. A high Reaper. As you can see, we were losing. Pretty sure we did lose because this wasn't a very good team. But I did get 4 kills. Oh, I got 3 kills, but. This one, I got 2 kills, but technically I'm supposed to get 4. Those 2 kills there, they're technically mine. It might say that they're his, but they're really mine. I got this play. Since this video is almost over, I might as well just do my outro. So, hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!